Yes. Yes. Good afternoon to each and everyone. Okay. This evening, I would like to introduce to you. I'd like to show you this uh, iron meteorite. Okay. This iron meteorite have so many signs of a real or legit iron meteorite. Okay. We have so many fusion crust here, like this here. This Rigmaglips, what we call it in the other words, Rigmaglips. See? That one here. Huh? Okay. This is already collected by my parents more than 80 years ago here because we don't uh, okay, like that. Okay, we don't know about this what kind of metal before, but when I read some news and uh, some creation or videos on YouTube, I know that this is a meteorite. I prospect this as a meteorite, guys. Okay? This is only partially magnetic, guys, but if we focus here, okay, all characteristic of a meteorite is present in this kind of a stone. Okay? It looks like a metal, guys. So I clean this only with cloth and the water with detergent. The result is this guy. Okay. Uh, let's focus. You are free to comment down if you are watching right now. Okay. We have meteorite here, but it's useless because we don't have buyers here in the Philippines. We don't have testing laboratories on how to test this meteorite here in the Philippines. Okay. Just display or just content only because we don't have a buyer of this meteorite here in the Philippines. But here online, if you are watching, if you are interested, I will sell this one to you on a cheap price only, guys. Okay. Okay, but before you buy this, you check this one here. Okay, let's focus. Check this. Uh, whether it is a legit or not a legit meteorite. Okay. Okay. Others says this is a iron nickel, but for me this is only an iron meteorite siguro, guys. Okay? Tanawan nyo, guys, oh. Bisaya ta, tanawan ninyo ang iyang mga fusion crust na siya. Rigmaglips in the other word. Tanawan nyo, guys, oh. Dugay lang panahon ni gitaguan sa conference, guys. Gin-English na ito na dugay na ni. Pero karon pa na ako ni pakita gikan kay wala naman sila, guys, collection. Sayang man di makita sa kadaghanan mo ni akong ipakita through YouTube diri sa akong video or sa akong FB para mabalaan po sa tanan nga doon na tayo meteorite pero useless na atong meteorite diri sa Pilipinas kay wala gid tayo bayar, wala tayo mga bayar ano. Mura siyag na ay gold, guys. It looks like there is gold content on this kind of stone because there is a yellowish. Okay. If you are an expert, okay, examine this one and you are free to comment on if there's what kind of minerals contain this kind of a stone, guys. Okay, this is not metal, this is only a stone, guys. Okay, I only clean this but not polish. This is not polished by any chemical. Wala ni siya gi-polish. This is not polished by any chemical polishing. No varnish, okay? Wala ni na ako gikuan, guys. Tanaw mo ra siya na ay gold. It looks like there is gold in this kind of a stone. Okay? It falls down like this, guys. Falls down from the galaxy. Like this, okay? That's why this is very shiny here. Very smooth, guys. Okay, this is almost a kilo, guys. Okay? Only a small stone. I carry this one only in one hand, guys. Very small stone. Okay? If you are interested, you can comment down, but examine first on my video, guys. Watch this. Okay? If you are an expert, you can analyze on what is this. Okay? Like that, guys. Okay? Alright, thank you very much and good